Scott, we'll take that to you because, the markets have really been kind of celebrating the idea of gridlock. As we're seeing again, Washington never fails to disappoint in how much they can
Right.
fight amongst each other. So, do you think that if for some reason, if the Democrats do prevail and end up controlling the Senate, wouldn't that be a market negative?
I absolutely think so, yes. And I think that any sell-off that we would get on that, if that scenario does play out, is a buying opportunity. But like you said, Cheryl, the market does like gridlock. The market wants a split Congress. And if that doesn't happen, we probably will see a sell-off. As Greg just said, likely that we're going to see some tax increases. And, what's going to happen to the fixed bond market, to the fixed instrument market, right? Interest rates aren't going anywhere. So there's definitely going to be a headwind for there. But I do believe that if the Democrats do happen to sweep that January 5th runoff, we could see a market sell-off. I'm not saying a 10 or 15% sell-off. I think probably a 5% sell-off. But again, I would be very optimistic to buy into any sell-off based on that happening.
Yeah.